Hello everybody, I am going to show you the ligaments around the hip joint. So this is the hip joint here, which is formed by the head of the femur, which is located here inside, and the acetabulum of the pelvic bone or the hip bone. So the head of the femur goes into the acetabulum, which is the socket of the hip bone to form the hip joint. Now, around the hip joint, important ligaments are, first, let's see, this is the front, okay, and these two ligaments you see here, going from the ilium, this part of the hip bone is the ilium, so going from the ilium to the femur. So these two are called the iliofemoral ligaments. Very simple, from the ilium of the hip bone to the femur. That's why iliofemoral. Now, the upper one, you see, this is horizontal, going like this. So this is the horizontal iliofemoral ligament, and this one is going down vertical. So this is the vertical iliofemoral ligament, okay? And this part of the hip bone is called the pubis. So from the pubis, this ligament goes to the femur. So pubofemoral ligament. From the pubis to the femur, pubofemoral ligament. So those are three you can see clearly from the front, okay? Now, this is the ischium, ischial spine, right? Ischial tuberosity. So this part is the ischium. So from the ischium to the femur, this one is the ischiofemoral ligament. Ischiofemoral ligament. Okay. So those are few important ligaments around the hip joint, and those names are pretty easy if you know the name of the parts of the hip bone. This is the ischium, so ischiofemoral. This is the pubis, so pubofemoral. This is the ilium, the whole upper part. So from the ilium to the femur, iliofemoral. How many? There are two. This one is horizontal, going like this, and this one is vertical, iliofemoral ligaments, okay?